if men are forbidden to shave with razors, is it still okay for women to shave their legs with razors?
Okay, that's very very good question. So I would answer from the last question because it's easier. It's actually allowed for men also to use a razor on the neck. There is no problem. So the problem is the Torah says do not shave your face, and it says five spots. So if you look at the books in Chumash, Mizrachi, they give the different spots here, like. I mean, different spots, like whatever. So that's why our sages say, so to be on the safe side, don't shave, but you can trim. And what does it mean, trim? So when this shaving machine or like trimmer would work as a scissors, like this. So so a person can take an electric shaver. Like with razor, never allowed. For women, yes, but for men, no. Right? They would take some if somebody wants to shave, there is no problem. Take electric shaver, but make sure, very critical, it's not lift and cut technology. So the best shaver, how do you know? By price, right? So the best shaver, the cleanest shaver would be lift and cut technology. So and it's like lift, so like with a tweezer or something, right? And then cut very close, almost like a shaver. So that's why it's not allowed. There is a list on the kosher. I think that there is still website. I mean, that's why I've been using for other people, like right, who wants to shave. It's a koshershaver.com, and every year that they post the newer models from different manufacturers and to say which shavers are kosher. But if somebody wants to buy this lift and cut technology, there is a way, like if you're handy, so there is a way to remove this clip, right? I mean, it's like you need screwdrivers. It's not a big deal. I mean, if you want to, it's they give you videos I think online I think even this website on YouTube, but if somebody already bought and spends a lot of money and wants to keep his shaver, yeah, there is no problem. You can fix this shaver. So for men, it's never allowed. Only on what is it, on a neck. For women, on the neck, women can you shave like for other parts of the body, but men cannot. Men, problem is the men, they cannot do the things that women do. Right? So, for example, women would shave their legs. Men are not allowed to shave their legs. That's by way of the women. And other things. So, women can shave under the armpits. Men are not allowed to shave. You can trim, but like with scissors or with these other things, but not to shave.